Good morning, everybody. It is game day. I'm here in Chicago and I'm on my way to Wrigley Field to see a baseball game. Wrigley Field is one of the oldest baseball parks left in Major League Baseball. Reminds me of Fenway Park in Boston. Sort of similar. Been around for a very long time, very famous. So yeah, I picked up a ticket yesterday for the game today. Thought I'd go check it out. And then after that, maybe wander around Wrigleyville a bit. Look for some deep dish pizza maybe. And then later today, head out possibly on a river cruise in the evening as well. But we'll see how the day goes. Absolutely stunner of a day here today. It was 30 degrees here yesterday, Celsius, which was about 10 or 12 degrees warmer than it should be this time of year. Weather's great, no complaints. Had a long, cold, damp winter, so it's nice to have some good weather. So let's go hop on the bus to the subway, which will take us all the way there. Takes about an hour to get there from here, so gotta get moving. After about an hour on the train or so, we've arrived here at the ball field. Gonna figure out how to get in and get situated and get seated and go from there. What a crowd here today. This place is crazy. Welcome to Chicago Cubs baseball.
And Barry Shelton. Leading up for the Pirates in right field, number 22, Andrew McCutcheon. Shortstop, O'Neal Harper.
Oh, they keep going.
That was like right when the animal was born, and he was about to die.
Warmest of welcomes, thank you. Hello, everyone. We can do a bit better than that. Hello, everyone. Hello. And there we go. I needed more to show my first hello as well. We all need a second take sometimes, people. Don't feel bad about it. What is up, guys? Are you having a good day? Having a great day myself. You know why? Because I am doing my favorite thing in my favorite place. My favorite place? Easy question. Thanks for asking it. Chicago. My favorite thing to do in Chicago? That is another easy question. You're taking it easy on this boat ride, talking about Chicago on a boat. I love to do it, and I'm so excited to be doing it for these next 90 minutes, and I am going to be talking for a majority of those 90 minutes, about 80 of the 90. I'll be talking, even if you go down to the bar, even if you go to the bathrooms, I will be there. Not physically, verbally. That is my terrible way of saying if you do need to go downstairs, don't worry about missing the narration. We've got speakers down there. It's an architectural landmark because it's the last office building designed by Ludwig Mies van der Rohe. Ludwig Mies van der Rohe came up into architecture in the mid-1900s, and as he was becoming an architect, all the architects around him were cladding their buildings in a lot of fancy carved stone and ornamentation. All that stuff was beautiful, but it cost money, it took time, and technically, it was unnecessary to the actual function of the building. Mies van der Rohe revolutionized the entire world of architecture with one phrase: less is more. He got rid of all that unnecessary stuff, focused on the function of the building, not just the outside of it. So to put Ludwig Mies van der Rohe's work really into perspective, look at this black box building here. Not much to say about the building physically, right? But before Mies van der Rohe, no building in the world looked like this building. Because folks, back in the day, nobody wanted to live in downtown Chicago. Most people just worked down here. So Bertrand designed these two buildings like a city inside of a city. On the inside, there was a roller rink, a grocery store, a doctor's office, a movie theater, a bowling alley, any accommodation you could need or want to live downtown. Now, the most common questions I get about these two buildings: one, what do the apartments look like on the inside? I got a weird answer there: a slice of pie. Enter the pointy end, it goes outwards towards the balcony. Other common question I get: has anybody ever driven off of the parking lot before? Yup, 3 times. Twice for a movie, once for an advertisement, nobody got hurt. That ridiculously huge building is called the Merchandise Mart. Built in 1931 by Graham Anderson, Probst & White. Whenever that massive Art Deco building was first built, it was the largest concrete building in the country by square feet. Today it's only number 2 in that category. Does anybody know what number 1 is now? Big hint: government building. Pentagon. Now the Merchandise Mart has over 4.2 million square feet of space, over 8 miles of hallway in the building. To the 90s, that building had its own zip code. Now Mercant Joliet took the word Chautauqua as the name of the land, but that was wrong. That was not the name of the land the Potawatomi were telling them. They were telling them the natural crop that they used from the land, a medicinal onion that had a very strong fragrance to it. That is what Chautauqua means. Folks, Chautauqua roughly translates into smelly onion. Now, the fire was immensely damaging. 17,000 buildings were destroyed. 250 people lost their lives. 90,000 people were left homeless. The only reason the fire stopped burning after about a day and a half is it started to rain into the Chicago fire. Now, folks, I would be remiss if I did not say look up and to the left right now. In between the two ladder, well, you'll see it right now, but also in between the two ladder-colored buildings, you're going to get a quick glimpse of the tallest building in Chicago that I am not going to talk about yet. I'll talk about this building in great detail later on after the boat's been turned around or actually facing it. But it's the Willis/Sears Tower, and again, it's going to come into view right now, but yes, I'll talk about it so much, I promise, but again, that'll be a little bit later. That black box building with the big gray slab slapped on it, let me tell you a story. The designer of this building wanted nothing in the world but to get his building on the map. And how was he going to do it? His building is in between the tallest building in Chicago and the brightest point in Chicago's skyline. How would he get his building on the map, folks? Easy answer: he was going to put a map on his building. This is the world's largest "You Are Here" sign. Look at the bottom. But my favorite Chicago shop film has nothing to do with Chicago. It has a whole lot to do with Gotham City. You might know what I'm talking about. The 2008 Batman movie, The Dark Knight. Now, the opening of The Dark Knight was a bank robbery involving the Joker. That bank robbery was filmed right here on the first corner. You see this big limestone building. That's right, folks, we're about to see the First National Bank of Gotham. But actually, this is the old post office headquarters for the city of Chicago. Now, this building is no longer used as a post office either. You can see the companies that share the building on the outside of those signs there. But let me explain why this building is so big. It's huge. This was the post office headquarters in Chicago when Chicago was the mail-in catalog capital of the world.
It is really raining. Oh my god.
On the right-hand side, coming into view a little bit further away, is a large parking garage. It says DSW Shoes in the middle. In the corner that just emerged in our view, it says Marshalls in blue letters. To host this fair, they were not confident that. We just completely rebuilt our city. That wasn't the only invention that made its debut at that World's Fair. The world's first moving walkway we see in airports. That made its debut. Yoga made its introduction to the United States that year. Also, my favorite thing to talk about, the food. Juicy fruit gum, fried ice cream, Vienna sausages, the first all-beef hot dog, Cracker Jacks, and brownies. All made its debut at the World's Fair of 1893. Pabst Blue Ribbon Beer won its titular Blue Ribbon at that fair. Fun fact about that Blue Ribbon, participation prize. And Hershey, a Hershey Caramel company at the time, had been working on a milk chocolate recipe debuted at the fair. Becoming Hershey chocolate. Now, the biggest invention at this fair, the physically biggest one, was the main attraction. Now, the main attraction of Paris' fair, of course, was the Eiffel Tower, designed by Gustave Eiffel. Gustave Eiffel offered Daniel Burnham to design a second Eiffel Tower twice the size of the one in Paris in Jackson Park. Daniel Burnham said no. Now this park is called Ping Tom Park. Ping Tom is where Chinatown is in Chicago. Ping Tom Park was a Chinese civic leader that was active in Chicago during the 70s and 80s who lobbied for years for a park to be built in Chinatown. Unfortunately, he never got to see it done. In 1995, Ping Tom was on his deathbed. He said, "My final wish is for a park to be completed in Chinatown." He got his wish posthumously in 1999 after he passed away and the park was completed. He has paid tribute to inside of Ping Tom Park. We're actually passing him right now. We see the Mandela Chicago water taxi. That is right beside that pagoda. Right next to that pagoda, there's a statue of a man's head. That's a Ping Tom. Not the only one paid tribute to, though. If you're to walk around Ping Tom Park, you'll see a lot of references to trains and railroads. That's a tribute to the Chinese immigrants that essentially built the entirety of the North American rail system. Chess pieces and the Willis Tower is the king of buildings, being the tallest one, but what tour guides like to say is the architect intended that. So they saw that the Willis Tower sort of had a dark, blocked off masculine presence, and they juxtaposed that with a rounded, soft, pink, feminine presence of 311 South Wacker. The other thing that tour guides like to say has to do with that cylinder at the very top. That's a light. It's got 1,852 fluorescent bulbs in it, and it's said that that light is meant to look like the diamond sent to an engagement ring, and that was the elaborate way the designer of the building proposed to his girlfriend. Standing at 1,456 feet, designed in 1973 by Bruce Graham and Fazlur Khan, 110 stories, 16,100 windows. It's the W-I-L-L-I-S Tower. Say it with me, everyone. It's the Sears Tower. There it is. It said that Samuel Insull paid for this building to get built for his opera singing mistress, who had gone to New York to make it big as an opera singer. And every time this woman would sing at the New York Opera Houses, they would hear her singing voice, and they'd all say the same thing: "No thanks, go back to Chicago." So she did, furious, and they built her this massive theater with the back of the theater facing the east towards New York as an insult to New York and to New York theaters. Lesson in karma time, folks. They're trying to make fun of an entire city with a building. 3 months after that building got built in 1929, the stock market crashed and Samuel Insull lost everything he had. It was the tallest building in the world designed by a lead female architect. It was the tallest building in the world designed by a woman. It is no longer the tallest building in the world designed by a lead female architect. No, it's a bummer. Just kidding, folks. It's not a bummer, because Jeannie Gang went wild in 2021 and broke her own record with this wavy blue building on the right. Yeah, this is, cheering for Jeannie. Love to see it. This is also by Jeannie Gang. It's called the St. Regis. It's 1,198 feet tall. It's the third tallest building in Chicago now, and now it's the tallest building in the world designed by a lead female architect.
Definitely right.
The Navy Pier, it is not free to do anything else at the Navy Pier. Now on the right hand side of the boat, you're going to see a curvy black building called Lake One Tower. Now that building was
Good afternoon from Chicago. This is my last day today, so I had a fairly busy afternoon. I just got off the boat tour, which you've seen some of the video of, and yeah, that was definitely some insane weather. I am still soaked at this point, and probably will be until I get home for a change of clothes. But yeah, it was, if that wasn't an almost tornado, as I call them, then I don't know what it would be, because that was just sheets of rain coming down for a good 20 minutes, and then we get to the end of the river and turn around and go right back into it again for a second time. I'll post a picture here of what happened. The Sears Tower, Willis Tower, if they call it now, actually disappears into the rain as we were approaching it. So that was pretty crazy. So after the boat ride, I decided to take a walk up here to Millennium Park to see the infamous Cloud Gate, aka the Bean, and it's closed for maintenance. So there's a lot of people here, which is pretty funny, straining to look over the fence and get some pictures with it and everything else. I think it's a very Instagrammable spot in the city. You can see behind me there's a fence in front of it, and people are trying to get pictures through it. I did the same, but that's fine. I don't really care. It's a giant silver bean in the middle of the city. But yeah, so Chicago's been great. I have to say I've really enjoyed it here. This is just, you know, a sampling of what the city has to offer. Obviously, being here for just 3 days makes it really tough to see everything, or even scratch the surface on a lot of things. But it's been really great. Really glad I got to see the baseball game yesterday at Wrigley Field. You know, had that amazing beef dip sandwich yesterday, and yeah. So the only food, as you can see, I'm a big food guy, clearly. The last food thing I need to do in Chicago while I'm here is some deep dish pizza. And there's a place just a few blocks from here called Giordano's, and I'm gonna head there now, get some deep dish pizza, and then head back to where I'm staying and get ready to go. Tomorrow I am boarding the train to Portland, Oregon. It is about 46 hours all on the Amtrak, all through the upper Midwest, which is going to be kind of cool because I've never seen any of that. I think the 46 hours is going to start feeling pretty long around hour 24, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, it's been great, and Chicago's been great, and I definitely would like to come back again soon and see some more of it as well. So that's it for now. I'm gonna walk over to Giordano's. Hopefully I'll dry off a little bit more before I get there so I don't look like a drowned rat, and let's go have some pizza. Yeah. Number 2.
First one was okay?
Yeah, second one's about to be even better, I think.
Water run, the river's gonna cry when you're gone. Where will you go? Won't you miss the ones you know? I'll be here, hanging on, waiting for your call. Seems like time